Hi, Phil Strouth with heavy-dutycaster.com. Wanted to do this video on a new wheel that we've been using quite frequently here recently. This is for a local customer that has a tow line application, so he's setting parts on a cart and they pull it through their production area. This caster is a Kingpinless caster. So it's got a big double ball raceway with no kingpin in the top, so it swivels directly on this swivel race. So it's very heavy duty. It's got a top lock brake installed, and more specifically, this particular wheel. This is called our super elastomer ultraflex wheel. You can see it's got a donut tread, so it swivels very easily, and it also rolls very easily because it's got precision ball bearings. So that's perfect for a tow line type application, and it's very ergonomic on the push-pull, easy to get started, easy to get rolling. It's a very cushioned ride. It's got a lot of bounce to it and elasticity. So even though it's soft, it still rolls well and still holds good capacity. This is a 900-pound capacity caster right here in a 4-inch wheel, 5 5/8 overall height. So just another good option for us to use on some fairly heavy duty tow line applications, and it's a really good wheel for ergonomic issues. Thanks. If you have any questions, check out the website at heavy-dutycaster.com. Give me a call or email. Thanks.